Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking a reputable VPN and creating an account. This minimizes leaks and improves reliability. Once done, install the official app for your device and sign in. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication for account security. You should also check system requirements and close conflicting network tools. Start the app and grant any required permissions so the service can configure network settings correctly. This step is crucial because it establishes the encrypted tunnel that protects your traffic. Now you configure connection choices to balance speed and privacy. Choose a nearby server for lower latency or a country-specific server if you need region access. Make sure the kill switch and DNS leak protection are enabled to prevent accidental exposure. These stop traffic if the VPN drops. Pick a modern protocol like WireGuard for speed or OpenVPN for compatibility. This affects performance and stability. Finally, set AutoConnect on public Wi-Fi and use split tunneling where you need local services. Finish by verifying the VPN is actually protecting you. Check your visible IP address and run a DNS leak test to confirm encryption. Test speed and latency. If performance is poor, switch servers or try a different protocol because some networks throttle certain ports. Make sure Auto Reconnect works and that crucial apps route through the tunnel. If things go wrong, restart the app and device, toggle protocol or port, and collect logs before contacting support. This helps resolve issues faster and restores reliable connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.